Hello, entrepreneurs and innovators. Are you ready to embark on a journey to success? Today, we're diving deep into the gateway to success, exploring payment gateway solutions for modern business, and how they can unlock boundless opportunities for you. In this video, we're going to explore the critical role of payment gateways in today's rapidly evolving business world. We'll understand why payment gateways matter more than ever, especially for e-commerce enterprises. We'll also delve into high-risk sectors like credit repair and the CBD industry, uncovering the tailored solutions they need. Moreover, we'll introduce you to TouchSuite Merchant Processing Services, a game-changing partner for payment solutions. So, get ready to discover how the right payment gateway can be your strategic asset for growth. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Why payment gateways matter? At their core, payment gateways are digital checkpoints that securely authorize credit card transactions. They've evolved into strategic tools, especially in e-commerce, ensuring seamless customer experiences. E-commerce, the digital frontier. For e-commerce, a gateway is more than transactions. It's about trust. With cyber threats abound, a robust e-commerce gateway combined with a merchant account establishes a strong defense. Secure payment processing from any corner of the world is paramount. Navigating high-risk waters. In high-risk industries like credit repair and CBD, specialized payment gateways are essential. Credit repair processing requires an understanding of industry nuances, while the CBD market demands a tailored solution to navigate regulatory challenges. Tailored merchant processing solutions. Choosing the right payment processing partner is critical. TouchSuite Merchant Processing Services offers adaptable solutions for modern needs. Whether it's high-risk merchant processing, standard e-commerce payments, or niche requirements, TouchSuite stands out with its secure and robust platforms. Beyond transactions, the strategic implications. In today's interconnected digital realm, payment gateways go beyond transactions. They build trust, inform strategy, and pave the way for expansion. A business aligning its unique payment needs with the right processing partner gears up not just to transact, but to grow. In the intricate dance of modern commerce, payment gateways are pivotal. It's no longer just about transactions. It's about trust, growth, and future-proofing. As the world embraces digital transactions, finding the right payment solution truly becomes your gateway to success. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. For cutting-edge payment solutions tailored to your business needs, visit TouchSuite's website. Trusted by over 50,000 companies worldwide, from startups to global brands, TouchSuite has been the go-to payment provider for over 2 decades. Until next time, keep innovating and thriving.